Your anti-aging weapon time and the environment eventually wreak havoc on our skin. Slow the aging process as you detoxify and hydrate your skin with this cream. Infused with the innovative Peptide complex, SIRT-AP, it prolongs the lifespan of skin cells, repairs cell damage, and protects cells from oxidation to keep skin young. Detox-Diet Complex detoxifies the skin and revitalizes cells. Hydrogen peroxide hydrates, lightens, and diminishes the appearance of dark spots. Start the day feeling fresh and revitalized. You'll love your skin. Peptide complex repairs damaged cells, Detox-Diet Complex revitalizes, hydrogen peroxide fights dark spots. Founded in Barcelona, Spain, in 1979, Natura Bisse has been a leader in innovating and developing the highest quality face and skin care products. Natura Bisse works to guarantee maximum quality, research new formulas and create the best service for their customers. Especially suited for all skin types. Weight 1.7 ounce 50 ml/17 ounce. The Cure. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.